Here's the good news. Si Jesus Christ, hindi lang sin mode yan. Action mode. Rescue mode. Yan si Lord. Hindi ko kayo iiwang mag-isa. Ako'y darating sa inyo. Jesus is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. He sticks closer than a brother. Ano sabi ng Proverbs? A man who has friends must himself be friendly. But there is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. May kaibigan na mas madikit pa kaysa isang kapatid. O hindi ba totoo naman? May kaibigan kayo sa buhay niyo na para mas higit pa sa magkapatid ng turingan. Eh yung kuya mo, hindi kayo ganun ka-close, pero yung kaibigan mo, ito talaga yung talagang I've met a lot of friends in my life. Living in a squatter area, walang iwanan. Kaya 3, 5, 6, 7, 2 lang kayo against many, walang iwanan. Sabi nga nung mga salitang kalye nung araw, bugbog kung bugbog. May mga ganun talaga. Dumarating sa punto na yan. Kaya nga siguro hindi tayo napagkalooban ng magandang kutis dahil puro bugbog nung araw, nung maliit pa. A friend who sticks closer than a brother. He's a friend who walks by your side through everything. Tol, walang iwanan. Malalampasan natin to. Laban kung laban. Through everything, He will stick closer to you. And because Jesus gave Himself for all people, we, His followers, we should give ourselves completely to Him.